I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Hulu subscription through the app, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Hulu app. Launch the Hulu app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tab on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In Account Settings, look for the option that says Manage Subscription or Subscription Details. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Check confirmation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Hulu. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.